I'm Nathaniel Herrera, co-programming lead for Team 702. Now that our 2026 robot is assembled, it's the job of the coding team to test it. And trust me, things almost never work properly the first time.
What you know about that?
When things go wrong, we need to figure out why.
That's what I'm thinking, Cameron. Maybe it just doesn't have enough amperage.
Maybe, yeah. If it's turning off, then that
Exactly,
might be
right?
yeah. Yeah, oh, that's why it goes back, is because it reads at 0.
30. So many videos can.
Oh, man. It's not getting powered.
Like one.
The faster you are, yes. Yeah, that's what I'm doing for the result, yes.
I'll be back.
Does that mean I should be getting D?
No.
Okay. The intake speed resist.
Of course, while Cameron, Crux, and I are working on the code, there's a lot of waiting around being done by everyone else. Sometimes we have to work late into the night.
It's saying the distance is 2.86 meters. Can you check that?
Yes. From the hip attack?
From the turret itself.
And sometimes we find things that don't involve computer code that also need to be fixed.
Oh.
Yeah, within that spot. No,
No,
it
you
wasn't.
can't.
It wasn't just trying.
We just try it.
We just tried to make it.
Oh. So we need a button that goes reverse.
Yes.
God.
We're talking about. We need a blocker here. We might remove that plate too.
Yeah, I think we'll remove that plate and then a blocker. Yeah.
But eventually we get it all figured out, because frankly, there's no other option. And even after everything is fixed, there's still more testing that needs to be done. Come back soon for more updates from Team 702.